How long do anthurium last? You need to know this. Anthurium plants and their flower can have a long lifespan with proper care. Anthurium plants themselves can live for several years, often up to 5 to 10 years or more, provided by they are well cared for. To ensure longevity, place them in a well lit area with indirect sunlight and maintain high humidity, and also keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged, and fertilize the plant regularly during the growing season. The individual flowers of anthurium, also known as spathes, can last several weeks to few months while still attached to the plant. When used as a cut flower in arrangements, anthurium blooms can last up to 2 to 3 weeks if kept in fresh water and under proper condition. Proper care and environmental condition are crucial in maximizing the lifespan of both the plant and its flowers. Proper care is very important, and also you need to care about the light, humidity, soil moisture, and nutrition. This plant can provide years of enjoyment and striking visual interest whenever as potted plants or as part of cut flower arrangement. Ensuring these conditions are met will allow the anthurium to thrive, showcasing its beauty for an extended period.